Here we are, the famous Pike Place Market. Imagine there's something more to it than this. Maybe down there. It's early afternoon, like 3:30. Of course, lots of buildings around. Big, tall buildings over there. See the Pike Place sign now? And a lot of people. There's that part down there, and there's this part up here. And then there's stuff going on across the street too, like Starbucks.
Look at that, that's pretty.
This is the North Arcade, locally handmade crafts and farm products.
Oh, over here.
So we're going to go across the street here.
It's called Peroski.
Is this the line for Starbucks? Yes, it is.
What we get.
He's about to play his cello. Peroski. And this is the line for Peroski.
We're not getting no Peroski.
It smells good. That is some line.
We don't have bottled water. There's a bottled water shortage in Seattle. If you want water, get it from the salmon store right now, because a lot of places.
Bottled water shortage? Smoked salmon. Sandwiches, no line. Here's another big line for the bread or the bakery. Mask required. So that's Pike Place Public Market, surrounded by tall buildings of downtown Seattle. The Public Market. And the guy on the piano. So, pretty crowded. And every eating place has a line. Some of them not huge, but this is just smoothies. Me some pastry. And there's stuff up there. Produce. I hear this is a fish market. Hey, this isn't the famous one, is it? Here's the farmer's market. Of course, there's stuff all the way around.
This is where you go in. And there's a fish market where they grow the fish.
Like this? Excuse her. Anyway, looky there. Hey. Oh, look at that. Pike Place Fish Market. Waterfront viewpoint and public seating. fish throwing. Let's go that way. Steelhead, yeah. So this place is really big. It goes on and on and on. So this is Maximilian's garden, I guess. And there's the Majestic Princess.
Hey, you want us to take a picture of video? You and Janet?
Nope.
Take a video of you and Janet?
There's the street way down there. So there's lots of places to shop here for lots of things.
$20 flowers.
Of course, the fish market was back there. I guess this is the flower market. And other things, like mushroom logs. And bags and dogs. And cops. Place Market is up in there. We're down about at water level now. This is the waterfront over here. Of course, the Seattle Aquarium is right there. Miners Landing, whatever that is. Looks like another big shopping area. I see cabanas over there, or tents. Looks like shopping stuff over there too. You can actually see the public market sign, the back of it there. So that was Pike Place Market. Well, so we found the water.
That's the aquarium.
So that's the Seattle Aquarium.
Ferris wheel?
And I guess you can walk all the way down there. They got their own Seattle Eye. And water. Lots of water.